Good evening, all of you. This is a split AC simulator. Yeah, this is a split AC. We'll describe you the working of the split AC. It is its condenser unit, and this is its evaporating unit. The compressor lies in this unit. This is a wholesome unit of the outdoor unit, and this is the indoor unit of the split AC. This is electrical panel of the AC. This is energy meter, voltmeter, ammeter, temperature indicator. The pressure gauge at high point and low point means at suction at the discharge. Suction at the point of the evaporator outlet means at the compressor inlet, and the compressor outlet and compressor inlet. This is LPHP cutout to regulate the gas refrigerant temperature. One thing I will tell you that we have used the refrigerant R32 in this split AC. This is a temperature selector. This is a reversing switch. This is a compressor on off switch. This is a main on off switch, and this is a heater switch. This switch is for heater. Basically, in this we have also installed the humidifier, in which we have used a 2 kilowatt heater to heat the water and to maintain a cycle. Like we will first on the reversing switch on position, we'll give the hot air to the room, then we will humidify it with water vapors, then we'll reverse this whole process, and we will on the cooling process will calculate the sensible heat, basically through which how much heat is extract from the air. Okay, now it's this is a unit. In this unit at the back there is a condenser, there is a compressor. The compressor is taking back refrigerant from the evaporator in the vapor absorption cycle. The refrigerant at low pressure is coming into the compressor. Compressor lies behind this unit. The compressor is compressing the air, and after that this is a finned air cooled condenser through which it passed through this heat coiling, and the temperatures drop down. Then it will pass to the from this condenser. It is passing to the evaporator through this. These are the service valve to regulate the gases in and out. This is one line is evaporator inlet, and one is evaporator outlet. This all connection are there. I'll tell you one thing. This is a humidifier switch through which we'll connect the humidifier like this. To connect the humidifier, rest all are the connection of LPHP cutout through capillary. One thing I want to mention that the expansion valve is use of capillary valve. Capillary valve is used to cool the air to low pressure, converting high pressure to low pressure. Now I will show the temperature at the different point. See, the first at the condenser inlet. After high pressure refrigerant passing through the compressor, the temperature of the refrigerant is 77.8 degrees. After passing through number of coils, with the help of fan, we are able to reduce the temperature to 38.5 degrees Celsius up to good extent. Then it will pass through the expansion valve, where it will convert into liquid at the temperature of about 50.2 degrees Celsius. Then it will pass through the number of coils, and it will suck the air from the cabinet from these points. It is sucking the hot air and transferring the cold air, and it will change after passing through the evaporating coil. The evaporating coil is having a temperature of 26.4. Now I'll tell you that this is a sensor. The main cold air is coming out of this. The temperature of that air is right now it is 20.4 degrees Celsius. It is good cool comfort in a room. It is cooling room with a good amount of cold air. And this is a reversing switch. If I on this switch, the air will twist up. Now the air that is coming is a hot air. The whole cycle is completed. Now evaporator becomes a condenser, and condenser burns, is transferred to evaporator. Now see the temperature is changing radically. It is increasing because the hot air is coming out of it. It is extracting the cold air from the room. You can see the temperature change. And I will tell you the role of this humidifier, which this role is playing out. It is doing the hot. Okay. Thank you.